So I lost the whole drone yesterday. It's morning, day 8. I'm backtracking to go look for it. So around this tree is the last place I remember the drone. Oh man. Thinking of all the cameras I've lost, this one hurts a lot. So I biked just about 12 miles back to Devil's Alley, and I looked at that campsite. I looked at the stump where I set the drone by, and it wasn't there. No one was camping there. It makes me think it fell out somewhere between there and where we camped last night. So I don't expect to ever see it again. The positive is that I got the footage off of it for the first 6 days of the trip. There's a non-zero chance this drone will be found and that it will be returned to me. Non-zero. And so if that happens, I'm just gonna trust in the universe that may happen. There's a non-zero chance that if I put this on YouTube, someone will watch it who has that drone and send it back to me. Just got stung by what I think is a wasp or a bee on my neck. Very painful. Tough way to start the day.